Hey guys, I'm SartorialPhil. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't really done a big haul in a while, so my last video was the pre-collection. I had just went to collect, it was just 3 things. This time, primarily these are from the new collection, so it's for fall/winter 2022. But I do have one special item, which, full disclosure, I'm not actually gonna unbox here. I think you can see it on the left side of the screen. I'll definitely follow up pretty quickly with a video on that. So you can pretty much tell these are the sneakers. And then the one non-Louis Vuitton item, because these days pretty much I haven't been buying a ton outside of Louis Vuitton, but it's an item that I've been kind of thinking about for a while and they finally had it in stock. So I'm just gonna start with the Bottega item. So this is the padded cassette. This is the smallest size that they make. It's a belt bag. And it comes in 3 colors. I'll make a more in-depth video of this as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that when I was in Paris in June, I tried on the green version. And while I like the green, I wanted something more classic as my first new piece from Daniel Lee, although I realize he's not the creative director anymore. But so now we have the Louis Vuitton items left. I'll start with the small items. This should look pretty familiar to you. This is the pocket organizer. This is the climbing collection. So it's based off of rock climbing. Pretty standard pocket organizer design. You can see in the middle, or in the stamp, it's the runway fall/winter 2022. This one is made in France. It has like a neon yellow-green interior. And they did update this from the original sample, which just had a corner. But they ended up going with this, which I think is a much better design. You'll probably not be too surprised what this next item is. It is, of course, another pocket organizer. It's the other one. It's the Wavy Monogram. And it has the extra leather piece here. So it's a little bit different. I think the interior is a bit different than most of the regular pocket organizers. So like you can compare it here. It's still, I guess, the same format. It's just cut slightly different. This one doesn't have the V. They opted for a curve, I think, to complement the wavy design. And the card slots are also at an angle rather than being straight across. This one is made in Spain, but it also has the fall/winter stamp. So 2 pocket organizers. And then the last, I guess, smaller item. So this is the brooch. And if you follow me on Instagram, this is one thing I highlighted from the showroom that I thought was really cool. And I don't wear as much blazers and suits anymore, but I do still like these as an accent piece on blazers, but you can use it on certain sweaters as well and jackets. So I think it's black crystal. I'm not sure if there's Swarovski or not, but on the body of the spider is the black crystals. So it disengages like this. You would pin this on what other clothing item, and then you would just put it back. So then this next item is, this is the hat. I forget if they actually called it a bucket hat or not, but it's in the tapestry, the floral tapestry print or design. And it's reversible. So on the other side, it's the like faded denim, which Virgil has used quite a bit in his collections and with the collaboration with Nigo. So it's reversible. You know, you'd probably remove this tag if you were going to have it, if you were going to use it on the other side. And it's kind of cool. You can kind of flip it up a little bit and then you can see the other side of the design as well. This one comes in 2 sizes, medium and large. So I got the medium. I really wish they had actually made bags with this print, but unfortunately they didn't. But I'm glad to have collected something from this design, the tapestry. And then here, it also has Vuitton kind of, I guess, stitched in. Two more items. So this one is my only bag from this collection because honestly, I don't have too many bags, but I did really like this one because it's unique. This is the Wavy Monogram, and I really like it because the shape of the bag is wavy, as well as these two pieces of leather. I'm not the biggest fan, I probably mentioned this before, I'm not the biggest fan of the brown monogram, but I like this treatment of it. It's pretty cool. I guess if you're not aware of this collection, you may not immediately know that it's Louis Vuitton, which I'm fine with. But I do like the soft trunk design in this size. I think works pretty well for me as like a day bag. This comes with the shoulder strap. It's just right now it's inside of the bag. So it's a pretty standard leather shoulder strap that hooks onto here with the clips. So I'll be doing more detailed videos on probably like the bags for this collection, so then you can kind of see how it looks like being worn, and I'll show you how it looks like with the strap on as well. And finally, this is the last item. It's the only ready-to-wear item I ended up getting from this collection. So not surprisingly, I did decide to pick something from that floral monogram tapestry design, although this one is a knit. So it's not the exact same as the hat, the way it's made. It's the same print or the same design, but you can see that even the colors are a little bit different because it's different material and the way they made the fabric is different. So this is the hoodie. It does come with matching shorts. However, I didn't order it and the only size that was available was too big for me. But luckily I did order this one in my size, which was extra small. And this one, I'll be posting photos on Instagram as well on how it looks like worn. It's pretty standard hoodie, but I do like the construction's pretty good. It's not too oversized. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll be doing more detailed videos, and like I was saying, I'm gonna have a separate video on the Louis Vuitton Air, the Nike collaboration video. That definitely will be coming soon, so if you wanna know when it airs, just make sure you subscribe and you'll get notified. Also, check me out on Instagram where I'll be posting more, I think, modeling pictures of these and just different shots. It's at the same handle, at SartorialPhil. So thanks again, and I hope to see you in my next video.